Hi. Okay, hi. It's exactly 5:30 on the dot. I have to do my hair because I look like what I told my mom last night, a 12-year-old boy who doesn't get his hair cut. I mean, like, it's not huge like I thought it was gonna be, but it's still like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup and it actually doesn't look that bad today, which is the first. Yeah, that's my outfit. Leave me alone. So yeah, I'm just gonna like half straighten my hair or fully, I'm not sure yet. 5:57, so I have to wake up home in a few minutes. And that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna make coffee. So I straightened my hair and it actually looks shorter. Like, I don't know, it looks and feels shorter the second time, because the first time I had it straight was when I straightened it with the long hair. Now it's like straight but shorter. Does that make sense? I don't know if that's a thing, but I feel like it looks like I cut it more, but I didn't. Like, it's kind of almost at shoulder length. If you could see that. I mean, I don't mind. I really don't. But yeah. Hi, so it's like 6:22. Pumbaa's coming. Anyways, so this is my outfit. I don't love it, but that's just what it is. I don't have pants, so I have to wear my maroon ones because I don't have any other black ones. If I had black ones, this outfit would literally be complete, but this is what we have to go with because I don't have black pants. All right, now I'm gonna go make coffee because I need coffee if I even want to get through today. That was just water. I swear. I literally threw him out of my room this morning because he wouldn't stop in the tree. Great, the top of the tree doesn't work because he's moving around in it. Oh my God. I got the last s'more one, the rest are peanut butter. Hi, I haven't vlogged all day. I didn't vlog at school even though I did have time. It just wasn't interesting. In math, I literally finished my final in the span of 30 minutes because my friend had the answer key because her friend got 100 on the quiz and gave her the answers. I have to clean my room super fast.
Take a little bit of egg wash, go around the lower half perimeter, push it back, and you get pinch.
Oh my God. I wrapped it so pretty, look at it.
Then you should start trying to go home.
All right.
I'm proud of myself. I don't have labels.
Keep on.
$40 pajama set, check. The chair's here because my mom was live right there. And our kitchen is very, very clean. As you can see, I'm about to clean it to be a nice gal. Yeah. She's about to eat some rabs. I'm leaving.